Yo, what's going on? So today we got a video from Police Insider, and the title of the video is 20-year-old learning her lesson the hard way. So let's see what actually happens. Let's go. Let's get into it.
Stop.
On November 9th, 2022, officers responded to an altercation. The caller advised that his girlfriend had taken a lot of unprescribed pills. She said it was an accident, but the caller insisted that she did it because of an argument they had about co-parenting. Here's what happened when the police arrived.
No problem.
So we got a little upset. They got into a fight. And she
Look
said
right
that
there,
she was
since
gonna
the
go.
bottle's down there. I literally threw them. They're little green pills.
She said she got mad and said that she was going to take all these pills. And she states that she didn't. She just did it out of anger.
Okay.
So yeah.
Why were you gonna
They're
take
like little teeny tiny. Oh, they were also like half gone because I used to take them. That prescription's old.
Hey man, just so you know, we got body cameras on out here, alright?
Yeah, I know.
Did you witness her taking the meds?
No, I just seen the bill bottle on there. Yeah.
So I can see, because I literally threw them
If she
everywhere.
threw it, it'd be on.
Well, so this is what's going to happen. I'm not going to sit here and take the time to find all these pills and count them. That's just not necessary. So usually in a situation that a third party calls, what we're going to do is we're going to do a refusal. I'm going to get your information. You're going to sign, which is taking us off of liability if anything were to happen if you actually did take them.
He's saying he never saw her take the pills. She's saying she threw the pills. She's saying she just said it out of anger. She didn't have any other intentions.
Okay, but the pills are not on the ground where she said they were. So I think she probably needs to go.
Well,
Okay, so there's no pills on the ground. We don't see any pills anywhere. You said
I literally, give me your phone real quick. Or can I borrow one of your guys' flashlights to look up here? Because I literally threw them. They're little teeny
What's
tiny
your
like
birthday?
mint green pills.
What's your birthday?
4/26/04.
what kind of pills are they?
What's it called again? Sertraline?
What? Sertraline for what's that used for?
Bipolar.
Since the officers were unable to find the pills anywhere, they decided to take her to the hospital for a checkup.
Okay, well the fact that you said it anyway, you're gonna go to the hospital. I'm not.
No, I'm not, because I'm refusing. You can't take me to the hospital
I
when
can.
I put a refusal.
She can sign a voluntary paperwork.
I didn't take the pills. I'm refusing
I
to
don't
go.
see the pills. You said you were gonna take pills.
I see your flashlight so I can try and find some, because I swear I didn't take them. Like, can I see one of your guys' flashlights to look?
My flashlight sucks.
here's the deal, okay?
I'm not going to the hospital
Still made the
because I didn't take
You
them.
made the threat. Oh, hold on.
I'm looking around.
But
You guys aren't
it
taking
doesn't
me
matter.
to the hospital.
You made the threat.
No, you guys aren't taking me to the hospital.
Let me fix it, bro. You tripping on my mama, bro. Move.
So let me go. Please let me go.
What is the guy doing? What is he? Is he trying to interfere with the? What?
Here's the deal, okay?
I'm not going to the hospital
Still made the
because I didn't take
You
them.
made the threat. Oh, hold on.
Yo, if the guy is trying to interfere, yo, he better be real easy, boy, cause you can go too.
I'm looking around.
But
You guys aren't
it
taking
doesn't
me
matter.
to the hospital.
You made the threat.
No, you guys aren't taking me to the hospital.
Let me fix it, bro. You tripping on my mama, bro. Move.
So let me go. Please let me go.
Okay, hey, babe, stop.
No, because I'm not doing nothing.
Hey, okay, you ain't gotta do all that.
Okay, I'm sitting right here. Let me go. I'm sitting right here. Please let me go.
You biggest.
This is why I hate bystanders. You ain't gotta do all that. Well, she didn't have to try and walk back in the house when they were saying that she's going to the hospispittal.
Back up or you're
Please
gonna
let me go.
I can
Please,
promise you
I'm
that.
not doing nothing. I'm not doing. No, I'm not doing nothing. You guys just threw me around like I'm trying to find these pills. Because you're trying to grab me.
and I'm gonna move your arm out. And
can I at least stand up? If you guys give me, no, listen, let me talk real quick. Talk. If you guys get me in cuffs, can I please stand up?
Yes, absolutely. All right.
Okay, there we go.
Just sit for a second.
Breathe. Okay, here we go.
Stop.
It's okay.
I'm not doing nothing though, and you guys literally just threw me on the ground.
You're not free to leave. You said
I
you were
wasn't
gonna
trying to leave.
Cancel the next unit.
You said you were gonna leave pills. I don't
Stand
have
up.
Can you let go of me?
Stand up.
Please let go of me. And
I
I'll
don't have a
stand
hold
up.
of you.
You do. I feel your arm. Please let go
Listen,
of me so I
if you
can stand
fall,
up.
it's on us.
Okay, I'm not going to fall.
Can I hold on to you?
I don't want you to touch me.
Okay, stand up.
I don't like you guys. Like, I didn't do.
You got car keys on?
I don't know where they went. They just threw me around. Because you called the cops when I didn't do.
She cut up her foot, just so you guys know.
Yeah, because you guys threw me around like some dumb.
Okay, let's calm down.
No, please let me go.
Okay.
You said you would let me go if I stood up, and you guys got cuffs on me. Is that my mom?
We said we'd let you stand up.
Your mom's not
Grandma, I didn't do anything. They just flung me on the ground because I was trying to find the pills like they
You threw
asked me
yourself on the
to.
ground.
Come on, we doing too much, man. Are we going to the hospital or what, man? Let's go. Let's go. Now you letting them talk to family members, this and that. Let's go. It's time to go.
You did fling yourself on the ground.
Shut up.
Oh, jeez.
Chill out. We're going.
No.
Stop.
No, they're
Stop.
trying to take me.
Stop. I'm coming right with you.
Not. Bro, no. Please, I didn't do nothing.
Change anything. This
I
isn't gonna
didn't
change.
do nothing, guys, and you're trying to take me out my
All
home.
protective custody, okay? Because you
Did
said
you take
were
my
gonna harm
Spurs game?
yourself.
The female left the officers no choice but to arrest her.
No, for real, because you guys are doing too much. Like, I'm not doing nothing. Let go of me.
All right, now you're going to jail.
Bro, no, I'm not. Let
Kicked me
go.
twice in the leg. You're going to jail.
Bro, let go of me.
Up. Up.
Bro, let go of me. For real.
Have a seat.
Can y'all at least go get my phone for me
Have a seat.
and get my boyfriend? I need my phone.
We'll go to Broman. They can let us know what she gets for
I need to go to Carl.
That's where we're
Can you
going.
please get my phone? Can y'all get my boyfriend now and go get my phone? Yeah, they probably fell out when you guys threw me around.
You threw yourself around.
You threw me around. I tried to go look for the pills, and he literally grabbed me. You grabbed me when I was trying to find the pills, and then
All right. Do you want me to ride with you or follow you?
it's fine. Y'all got body cams. You can bring that up. Not good.
How about I explain what I heard and then you fill in the gaps? How about that? How's that sound? So what happened was her and her boyfriend got into an argument. They got a little heated. It didn't sound like it got physical at all. But she made a comment that she was going to take her all of her pills, or made a comment that you were going to take a bunch of pills, correct?
I'm
it was
bipolar.
sertraline. She's bipolar. She's been off her medication. She had sertraline. I guess she had like an old script that was half filled. She walked outside and threw it all.
I put
and
it.
you threw. You
I
kind of
put it in my hand.
and you threw
and
it
then
all
I threw
around.
it.
Okay. So what happened was when I'm talking to her, she states that she didn't say anything. I had the faith. We're gonna write a refusal. I was good with it. When the young lady out there said that they were going to take her and sign the voluntary committal because we couldn't find the pills, we were very adamant. Hold on. We were very adamant that if we just had a flashlight in like 5 minutes, we can find some pills to show that we did throw them. When she was walking around asking for flashlights, someone grabbed her. Then we started thrashing. Then we started pulling, and we ended up on the ground. And we caught her foot. And she's
And
just
now
very
they're threatening
upset.
to take me to jail.
And that's where he's going to come in and kind of, because he got a little bit of the story there, and he wasn't even here, but he knows law stuff a lot better than I do, okay?
Not like pulling away, like he grabbed me and I freaked out because I didn't do anything.
Right.
And I am bipolar and I'm not on my meds. So I freaked out.
That's still resisting.
Wait, no, go tell him to look in the garbage. No. I blacked out. I remember. They're in the garbage on the inside of the house. They're little green pills.
Okay, listen. I'm not going to we can't spend 30 minutes here trying to digging through every place we think that these pills might be on.
No, that one girl cop and the Mexican cop that has braces always harass us. They pull us over all the time. For nothing.
She continued to argue her side and repeated that she didn't do anything.
Oh, as long as that female officer isn't there, I won't have no problems. But can I get these off of me since I'm in here?
Time out. Okay? I can't promise if she's gonna be there or not.
As long as she's not in my face.
Time out.
She won't be in the ambulance, I can promise you that much.
Then I'll be fine as long as she's
And then when
not
we get to
near
the
me.
hospital, she might be there to fill out that paperwork that she has to fill out for the involuntary committal, okay? Unless it's the other gentleman. But I just want a nice, cool, calm ambulance. I want you nice and cool and calm walking into the hospital, and that's going to help you with that aspect, okay? Everything else after that, we'll work on later.
And once we get to the hospital, she doesn't even have to talk to you.
You're going to jail after this. You got medical treatment.
Are you serious?
Yeah, you kicked me.
I did not kick you.
And just so you know, my body camera is still on.
That's fine. I'm literally going to my attorney and we're literally going to pull that up because I did not kick you. I hope you're ready to be sued. I'm so serious. Bro, they said I could call somebody before I left too.
How many times do you think officers hear that? I'm going to sue you. Listen, I'm telling you, people's favorite words is, I can't breathe. I'm gonna sue you. No ID. Yeah, that's probably about it. Yeah, I don't have my ID.
Bro, you guys aren't
somebody
taking
at the
me
jail.
without doing that. No. You guys are...
Oh, and call my mama. Call my mama is a good one.
Bro.
Can you unbuckle yourself? Now?
The female was charged with resisting arrest and aggravated battery upon a peace officer. YouTube thinks you'll love the video on screen. Click to watch now.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.